Hello everyone, my name is Camila Ron, and today I will give you my opinion about the idea perish the truth of animal testing for medical research. It's a topic a really important issue that is medical experimentation on animals. So I want to condemn the use of this type of research through this discourse science for years. It has been used for scientific advance and it is time to change this critical numerical activity toward animals as sentient beings. Animals are living beings that for decades have been subject to mistreatment, pain, and suffering not only by society in general, but also because of science. Now, it is time for user rational beings capable of thinking to strive to improve our ethical conduct. Neither of the animals can assert their rights, which is why we must help them in this difficult task. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights not only speaks of the dignity of human beings, but are living beings, and by carrying out this type of practice, they are being violated. In the past, there have been atrocious acts against animals, such as in the Tuskegee syphilis study and the Stanford prison experiment, where many innocent creatures were victims. It is clear that experimentation and research must exist for the progress of humanity. But why are they the ones who suffer the consequences if today there are new ways to advance in it or necessarily to torture these beings? For this they are burned, poisoned, mutilated if they survive any of the tests. They are subject to this again. Several countries in Latin America Mexico, Guatemala, Colombia, Brazil, Ecuador, and Chile have legislated to prohibit these events, adding to animal protection and looking for alternatives. Prior to the ban on animal testing, the cosmetic industry had relied alternative methods are a viable option for a product testing. For example, the European Union's cosmetics regulation uses this type of method as it regulates these practices of abuse against animals. Even so, companies such as Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk, use animals such as pigs, sheep, and monkeys cause the animals to develop symptoms of the disease. It is a horrible act. It is a company that is currently under investigation for its animals' welfare violation due to unnecessary suffering and deaths. The Helsinki Declaration and the Nuremberg Code accept these acts as long as animal welfare is respected. Even so, they're reminded of the great consequences. I come across a study carried out in 2020 in Spain says that this year 761,012 animals were used to experiment in laboratories for scientific purposes, and of them, 34,202 dying in this. 74,220 suffered severe consequences, which is a pretty high number. Now, if animal models cannot reliable predict human responses, what justification do we have for continuing this practice? After seeing such high figures, the suffering and the little effect they can have, I invite everyone not to support this type of horrible acts against animals. Go through which is not only experienced daily with pigs, sheep, and monkeys, but also rabbits, rats, dogs, cats, reptiles, amphibians, mice, fish, among others. These practices have very serious consequences for them that often end in death. We must prioritize their well-being. They don't understand neither why they are living their situations, nor neither are they for their benefit. Let's promote empathy and alternative methods that avoid animal experimentation. We must prioritize animal welfare. As a proponent of progress, it is time to put an end to this practice. Acknowledge that the continued reliance on animal models is incompatible with the ethical imperatives. It is a way of respecting life. Abolishing animal experimentation not only promotes justice towards this defenseless being, but also enhances the quality and relevance of scientific research. Additionally, its elimination can have benefits such as reductions in animal suffering in the implementation of modern methodologies serving as a way to advance research, innovation, and as a form of respect the lives of all beings on our planet. I acknowledge that animal experimentation has often contributed to medical advancement over the years. However, in many other instances, it hasn't been entirely effective as the result may not accurately translate to humans due to our biological differences. A flawed study could potentially harm us, leading to death, pain, and suffering. It is time to recognize that with current technology we can respect life. I hope this topic would have been to your liking. Have a good day.